Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking down essentials. Know the exact file name and format so you don't grab the wrong package. Create or sign into the hosting account now and enable two-factor authentication if available. Once done, make sure you have an archive tool, a reliable browser, an antivirus, and a download manager ready. These first steps speed retrieval and reduce risk. They also let you resume interrupted downloads and scan files immediately after acquisition. Next, find the most reliable source, the official host or a trusted mirror, and check uploader reputation or community feedback. Use a download manager to avoid corruption. If checksums are provided, compare MD5 or SHA1 values to confirm integrity. Once the download finishes, scan the file with your antivirus software and open the archive in read-only mode to inspect contents instead of executing immediately. These steps prevent malware and ensure the package matches what you expected. Finally, install and test the crash test Chomik carefully. Read the README or installer prompts and run setup as a standard user first to limit risk. Only elevate privileges if explicitly required. Once installed, test behavior in a controlled environment or with a quick backup snapshot so you can roll back. If something fails, recheck the checksum and re-download from a different mirror, clear browser cache, or search community threads for known fixes. That single troubleshooting step often resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.